going to solve GamePWN challenge, which is LightningFast. I already have the required files downloaded to solve this starting machine here. The description says this game happens as fast as the lightning. Enjoy a new self-posted game. This is ID and function I'm recording is I'm recording. And yep, here it is as I find. So I'll just show you open up, go to options. Then take the IP from here. Just it done. Get back and play. So you can see now, basically we have somewhere around 6 points. You can't actually buy the flag. It's saying you need 999 more. Okay, not a problem. We'll fix this up real quick. We'll start up Burp Suite and start up. We'll go again to the application. And go. Now, okay, the Burp Suite is ready, all set to go. Head to the proxy tab, turn on this. To the proxy settings, go and click on add port AP. Here it will be loop back. Then request handling, where copy paste the IP from the active box which you got. Okay, here it will be the port, and here you remove the port and the semicolon with enter. Okay, yeah, okay, not enter. Click on OK. So now go to the application, and here you have to change the IP address. Right now here IP address will be 127.0.0.1. That colon 80, which will be running on port 80. So let me write up the same IP address here as well. So yeah. Okay, see, put it now. Okay, see, I already got a request. Yeah, forward it. Settings. Let me close this real quick. Okay, let's go save this. We already saved it. Okay. Yes, connection successful. Now I have to play. Okay, forward, and yeah. Okay, so we are about to lose. And we're already losing. Wow. Should this? Yeah, forward this. Just because I didn't forward this, waiting. Yep. Now the game has ended. We have somewhere around 42443 coins. Yep, not a problem. I'll go to this section, and we have to find out here your score. So now right click, or you can directly say Control R, go to the repeater tab, and put 999 as much as you want. Basically, if you are under 995 or 6 cents, that will work. It's not a problem. It's based on your how many 9 you want. So then you say send. Okay. Yep. The score 20. So head back to our tab. Go to shop again, and the request should be forwarded. Okay. Here you go. The flag is I don't know if you saw it or not, but we got that flag. Got the flag. So we'll go to the history tab, and here you go. There is a flag. Okay. So as of now, I have already submitted it. Yeah, I've already submitted it. The flag is already submitted. Here you go. Okay, the flag is already submitted. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.